Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and show you this silicone quilted purse and what I did to it. So let me explain. This is a silicone, it's a silicone purse, and it is different tones of pink and blue and maybe a pastel purple. And I brought this during Christmas time for one of my nieces, but her mother just thought it wasn't the she would carry it, so I ended up keeping it. So I'm like going, what can I do with this? What can I do with it? So I decided um last week to actually take the rest of my AB crystals that I had and bedazzle it. Now what you will need, AB AB nail crystals. Yes, that's what I used on it. E6000 glue and a picker to actually put on there, and paintbrush to use the hard um, top to actually put the glue on the purse, and I think it turned out pretty good. So let me show you the purse and thing. And I did them, and let me just say I did this purse to a certain distance, so and when I get up on it, you can kind of see it, but far away you can't. You see a glimmer, but when you get up on it, you can actually see them and stuff. So, and I didn't do the middle part because of the chain and stuff, but I had fun doing this to this purse. It was a great, and they're gonna stay pretty good, but I just think this is a good purse DIY and thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed the purse, seeing this purse. But yeah, um I will try to link. I got this, like I'm saying, I got this from Amazon. So yeah, and thing, but yeah. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.